James was very cross. "Why should Edward have a new coat of paint?" he grumbled. "A coat of paint looked just like me is good enough for him. He goes travel up to his work, leaving out his work, and comes like filled with happy feels. It's disgusting." "Is it wrong?" "Edward whistles too much." "But we just don't do it anymore." "Again," huffed James impatiently. Poor Edward was feeling sad. "Never mind, Edward," huffed Henry. One day, Bye, Edward, huffed James. One day, Edward had to stop when Toby came. "Hello, Edward," huffed Toby. "What you doing?" "I'm fine, be please," huffed Edward. "Did you hear something?" said Toby. "It sounds like James." James was rushing back. He became the matches race. "Help! Help!" cried James. And James puffed away. "It sounds like funny," huffed Edward. "Ha ha ha," laughed Toby. "It sounds like funny." But James was riding up. He passed through Gordon's Hill until he stopped. The whistle. "Oh no, it's too loud," said the Fat Controller. James was very awful. He couldn't tell. They built up James's whistle. Poor James felt very sad and bad. He told the other engines about Edward. "I feel bad too about Neville," huffed James impatiently. Edward pulls the coaches around. He felt very good in strength. Until suddenly, ow, bang, ground the coaches. "Bother," huffed Edward. "I'm really late for the god." "Another thing with you," said the driver. "I can't," huffed Edward. Impatiently, even Edward was cross. So Edward puffed away. Until "I'm going ready," huffed Edward. Edward puffed away. Until they stopped at the next station. Edward felt very bad and felt that he was very sad. "And how think you're doing you?" Edward was very pleased. He's so very strong and reliable. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," whistled Edward. "Whoosh!" "Yippee!" huffed Edward. And he does not well but James. He does it so well that James was very angry.